Bad news, guys. The owner of Club Tito's, one of Goa's most happening nightlife spots near here, announced on Monday, 28 June, that they have sold the club due to harassment by authorities and NGOs. हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल एंड आई होप दैट यू गाइस आर डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन। तो भाई बहुत ही सैड न्यूज़ है सबके लिए। जो भी लोग गोवा जाते थे सबको पता है कि टीटोज क्लब बहुत ही फेमस है वहाँ का। बट एक बहुत ही सैड न्यूज़ पता चली है अभी 28 जून को ये न्यूज़ आई है और वो न्यूज़ आपके साथ मैं अभी शेयर करता हूँ। बट एक बारी ग्लिम्स देख लो टीटोज क्लब का। So guys, for those who don't know, this is Ricardo Joseph D'Souza, owner of the Tito's Club, and he recently posted on social media that it is with sadness but with anger that we have to sold our entire business in Goa. I personally have suffered the least as I was compensated adequately and even my future generations won't have to work. I will also share some with our staff, but in the long term they now have no jobs. Can I please ask our officials to employ them as I do not ever plan more business in Goa? By officials I mean all harassing lot like police, PDA, CRZ, NGOs, panchayats and sarpanchs, not Sean Martins. This is one of the good guys, I think. BDO, TY collectors. I am very grateful to certain segments to the government like Dr. Sawant, the IAS officers, ex-staff, present staff, our neighbors, all my friends and family, and the common people of Goa who all contributed to this great brand called Tito's. And the harsh line, end of an era. So guys, as you just saw, Mr. D'Souza posted on social media where he neither named any individual nor did he specify what kind of harassment he was facing. But as we all know, Tito's Club was a legacy, as Tito's Lane is popular due to the club itself, and each and every one of us who has visited Goa must have gone to the Tito's Club or would have got a picture clicked outside it for social media or Instagram pictures or Facebook. So as per me, the owner was really depressed and was really concerned about the staff and requested the new officials to employ them. However, what I think is, and as per the post of the owner, he was paid adequately as mentioned in the post. But the main thing is, if you have a place which itself is a legacy, and guys, Tito's Club was a legacy because whenever we enter the Tito's Lane, it is the only club which is named after the it is the only club which is named after the lane. The name of the lane is Tito's Lane and the name of the club is Tito's Club. So you never want to lose it because, as we all know, money cannot buy legacy. Sadly, it is an end of era. So in future, if you visit Goa, it is with a very deep heart I would have to say, I don't think you will see the Tito's Club there, and we all will miss it for sure. So at the end, what I can say is I can only just thank you, Mr. D'Souza, for providing us the best nightlife in Goa and one of the best clubs in Goa. And we will really miss the Tito's Club.